What's up YouTube, it's me again with another video. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to make the flying effect. So this one is really simple. You just crop your photo, just erase yourself, and the apps you're gonna need is a powerdirector, background eraser, and PS Touch. And this also includes kinemaster. So this is a really simple tutorial. So before I start this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please give a notification down there to get notified whenever I upload a new video, guys. Okay, let's get started with the tutorial. Okay, we got Kinemaster over there. Let me just try to delete these. You just wanna get your original clip. It's right over here, guys. Right over here. This is what the original clip looks like. As you can see, that is the original clip, guys. It's the original clip. So now I'm gonna actually screenshot that scene, guys. Gonna really screenshot this scene by opening like this. I'm gonna capture and save frame as playhead. As you can see, I already captured it. I already captured the frame. So next one is going to background eraser. Here we go, guys. Here we go with background eraser, guys. As you can see, you will just do the same code to extract, and you just erase that. This is what it looks like in examples. And you just does this, remove. And you can dust it on background eraser or any erasing app that can erase you in the background. So after you done, just click done and save it, guys. You click on save. As you can see, you had saved the file. So next we're going to PS Touch. Open PS Touch. This is Adobe Photoshop that Photoshop Touch. So open Photoshop and then on the eraser here, click on this album and then click on this file right over here. As you can see, it's very clear. So go to effects right over here and then choose directional blur. So once you're in this setting, so click on blur. So I'm gonna be doing about this, and the intensity will be about, let's see, 62 should be good. So next effect is gonna be Gaussian blur. So you must set it up to let's see. You must set it up to you must set it up to 10. So I prefer 10. So go back to the editor right over here, save project, and then click on this here. Save to gallery. And then choose a file format. This is JPEG for widescreen, and click on PNG to save the project. Click on the project and set OK. So once you're on that, go back to KineMaster. Go back to KineMaster, guys. And we're gonna be going back on this. So now we're on the back here, guys. We're back. So I'm gonna be framing that scene. We're a photo. So I need to be really slow. Make sure I capture the same scene. This is gonna be really hard. As you can see, I'm in the correct scene. So go here and click on the scissor icon right over here and click on split at playlist and click on the check. So once you're on it, cut again, guys, right over here. Go to the scissor again, split at playlist, and click on the trash can icon. So once you're here, guys, open on layer and click on this photo right over here. So now I'm gonna be adjusting the scene, guys. This is gonna be a bit hard, guys, cause it's keep on moving like this. So I need to go to frames, guys. So I need to adjust the same width, guys. So to do the guide, guys, so do the guide. I'm gonna be adjusting the same width, guys. Same width. Where, as you can see, I adjust the same width, guys. And I'm gonna be adjusting right over here. And once you're here, guys, open an animation right over here. Select animation, then I'm gonna be dragging it upwards full way. So once you're done, your preview will look like this. Or this. So once you're done, click on the export right over here and export whatever quality you wanted, guys. And your preview should be like the same as the beginning. So that is it, guys. So wait for a second. So after you did on kinemaster, go to powerdirector. So okay, go to powerdirector right over here. This is for the sounds, guys. Open powerdirector. And then I'm gonna richly select the scene. So I'm gonna be deleting this because I don't need that. And I'm gonna richly go let's click on the, like, where is it, guys? Click on the, it's, I forgot sometimes. Click in the original footage. This is the original footage, guys. This is original, so and you can virtually add sounds. It look like this after you're done to add the sounds. If you haven't downloaded the sounds yet, click on the link in the description below. So it looks like this, guys. So the preview looks like that, guys. So that is done for today. If you haven't liked this video or any of my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon for the next video, guys. Peace.